Hola.
Bon dia. We are on the banks of the River Zezere,
You can say it now.
Yeah, I can say it now. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. We can actually see schools of fish.
Big fish.
Big fish. Yeah.
Don't know what they are. River fish.
Dinner. What they are.
We just had a lovely lunch in a little Riverside restaurant. We had 2 bowls of fish soup, some bread, big bowl of olives, a water, a Coca-Cola, 2 coffees for €13, and it was delightful on the banks of this river, just a bit further down.
Really nice little simple lunch.
Did I say bread as well?
Yeah.
I don't know. We had
62 cents for a bit of bread. It's nothing.
€2.60 for a bowl of fish soup.
Yeah, nice.
It was lovely.
It was enough.
And now we're here, and there's really nothing around. There's this weird building opposite us, which is huge.
Massive, and we're in the middle of nowhere. It actually goes down there further, a lot further, and it goes up the hill.
So we're not sure what it was or why it's private. We're not sure we should really be here, but there's nobody else here, so we're here for now. And coming to the end of our trip. We've made some progress.
It's been a bit of a roller coaster.
It's been a ride.
It's been a bit of an emotional roller coaster. Fortunately, we're not peaking and pitching at the same time, so we're managing to stay on track to a degree. But yeah, it's it's just a bit of a struggle with not learning the language and the bureaucracy and the way they do things is so slow and alien to us. We're finding it confusing and a bit fearful of it all, really.
It's been a roller coaster of unexpected emotions as well. I think, just realising the magnitude of the nature that we're in, the magnitude of what we're doing as parents as well. Feeling, for myself, I've been feeling both rushed and wanting to take as much time as I need, not feeling any rush, and at the same time feeling that push to get things sorted. And then also finding a house that I really loved. Well, we both really loved it, but it took me about 2 days to work out what it was that I felt when I was there, because I just went really quiet and then really emotional. And it was this house in Miranda. It was on top of a mountain, literally the last house at the top of the mountain. And the only word I can find for what I felt in the end is awe. I was just awestruck, like dumbstruck, at the size of the place, the landscape, the view, the air, the water, the nature.
It was incredible.
But also, it was like the feeling I get whenever I'm on the ocean. It's a very healthy respect and fear. And I felt the same on top of that mountain, feeling a healthy respect and fear of the nature that was around me and the risk of forest fire in that location. Being at the top of the mountain, which is obviously the direction that a forest fire would travel, is up the mountainside, and the smoke would go up, and we would essentially, quite likely, be stuck at the top of the mountain.
I think you could have driven over it, but it's just another one of those situations where it's just we don't know
don't know enough.
We don't know enough about that sort of risk and what have you, and you know.
And where we are, and having the culture and the nature in our bones, you know, we're still freshers to it all. We're still brand new babies, really. So just taking it all in, absorbing it all. And we ended up here.
Yeah. It's not a bad place to end up, really, is it? So that's where we're at on a melancholy Wednesday. Doesn't have the same ring to it as Happy Wednesday, does it? Happy Hump Day.
Hump day.
Hump for the wrong reasons, though, isn't it, really?
I've been a bit
Yeah,
today and yesterday, and little moments in between, just feeling that it's not simple. There's a lot to consider, and not to get too trapped in all the things that we need to consider. To still keep that sense of adventure and play and freedom.
Well, you've got to remember it, haven't you? In the dark moments, you've got to remember what it's like to be in the light. But also, when you're in the light, you've got to remember what the dark moments are like as well. So,
and this is where we've probably been quite a good balancer for each other.
Because I'm super excited.
Which makes me more serious, actually, when you're running ahead.
Oh, right, okay.
I think.
Right.
I just like, hang on a minute, hang on, wait, let's just make sure.
But I want to run.
Yeah, I want to run. I want to run. And I'm not sure where I'm running at the moment, or who we've got running alongside us in terms of like who's helping us buy a house. There's a lot of, I love the fact that it's much freer here in terms of just driving down the road, no speed cameras to speak of, we haven't seen any police, you know, it feels there's nobody filming you buying your shopping and all of that kind of stuff. People are readily paying in cash, it's not cards only, and those sort of simple day-to-day things. But also it extends to when you're potentially spending a lot of money buying a house and moving your whole life to another country, another culture, another language, all of that stuff. It's understanding all the processes in enough detail. It's not just like, oh yeah, it'll be fine, yeah, verbal contracts, and you know, it's all that stuff that I'm just feeling a little bit rigid around, and nervous that we're just.
It's never a good idea to have a verbal contract, though, is it?
That we're
no
just
matter where you are.
ticking all the boxes.
Yeah, that's important. Anyway, so that's our little update. We shall keep you posted. Watch this space. Catch you later. Bye.